Specifications. Created in Britain, the Dineley machine carbine has a mass of 3.7 kilograms and a length of 810 millimeters. The Dineley machine carbine is chambered in the .32 ACP cartridge and is a submachine gun. The Dineley machine carbine can be fired in fully automatic and has a rate of fire of 700 rounds per minute. One Dineley machine carbine is now located in the Royal Armouries collection. Development. The Dineley machine carbine was designed by Mark Dineley, who owned the Dineley and Dowding Limited, in 1932 for the British Army. A couple of the Dineley machine carbine was tested by the Small Arms Committee in the early 1930s, but was rejected. Design. The Dineley machine carbine is a direct blowback, and fires from an open bolt. The Dineley machine carbine uses a 20-round detachable box magazine, and has a detachable wooden stock. The barrel is a cut-down barrel from a Ross rifle, and the barrel has a compensator on the muzzle. The trigger mechanism is similar to the Thompson submachine gun, and the rear sight is adjustable for windage and range. The Dineley machine carbine has a foregrip. The charging handle/ejection port is on the right side of the gun. One interesting thing about the gun's bolt is that the bolt contains two separate parts. The first part is the firing pin, and the second part keeps the firing pin fixed in place.